Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cross-selling techniques with Sam's Club, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve cross-selling techniques at Sam's Club, begin by identifying complementary products within your inventory. Conduct thorough market research to understand customer preferences and shopping habits. Analyze purchasing patterns to find which items are frequently bought together. Train associates on the principle of cross-selling and how to suggest products effectively. Develop an engaging in-store display that highlights related products. Utilize point-of-sale technology to recommend additional items at checkout. Create promotional bundles that offer discounts for purchasing related products together. Leverage loyalty programs to promote cross-selling opportunities. Use customer data to personalize recommendations based on past purchases. Incorporate seasonal themes into cross-selling strategies to align with customer interests. Monitor sales data to assess the effectiveness of your cross-selling techniques. Adjust your strategy regularly based on customer feedback and market trends. Encourage staff to share their success stories and tips with each other. Host regular training sessions to reinforce the importance of cross-selling. Utilize in-store signage to remind customers of related products they might need. Incorporate digital marketing strategies to highlight cross-selling opportunities online. Engage customers through loyalty and email campaigns featuring tailored suggestions. Focus on improving the overall shopping experience to encourage impulse buys. Gather feedback from customers to refine your cross-selling approaches. Continuously track the performance of cross-selling initiatives to ensure ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.